Hey guys, it's me, Chris Cook with Rovithis Realty, your real estate resource. I'm super happy to invite you in to see this home at 29 Leaview Drive in Westfield. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath on a cul-de-sac. Come on in. What'd you think? If you have any questions on this listing or any other listing, please feel free to call me at the number below. At Rovithis Realty, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and I want to work with you.